Right, we're in for 2 hours.
So I guess we have a minefield on our left and a minefield on our right.
Discover it now. Yeah, this is interesting.
Might be fucking leaving it. It's not too deep. Boots showing is open.
Is it?
It really matters though. It's on a piss.
He said there's a big square, didn't he? He said it would become apparent. I'm presuming we'll see the Mauritanian side of the fucking...
Yeah,
What's it?
yeah. I imagine so.
Fucking hell. Really don't want to see the joint to go there. There's a wreck of a car in front of us. We're still on.
Yeah.